Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to install and unbox the Ecu-Shop Pnp Pro throttle controller. Come on, let's check it out. All right, so for this one, as you see here, this is the code or the model TY2 used for Toyota. So it shows in here some other Toyota models in Southeast Asia that are not available here in the US, some of them. With this one, this will be installed in our 5th gen 4Runner. So as you see here, it's not listed, but the Prado is listed. So it is kind of similar, at least with some components, suspension wise, they're the same. But yeah, so we'll see if this will work. Our friends from Ecu-Shop in Thailand send this one to us so that we can also test if it will work on the 4Runner. Come on, let's proceed. Some of you know I'm using the engine throttle controller, the X Pedal Pro, and yeah, we'll be replacing that with the Ecu-Shop. And this is the plug that we need to disconnect in here. Okay, so right now all I have to do is remove this and then plug in the new one. So basically same, again, very easy to do. It's just a piggyback in there. So yeah, so let me just remove this now. Just need to press the tab. There you go. So just remove that, and now going to connect the Pnp Pro to the factory one. Let's see if it snaps. There you go. Clicks in there. Now we have the Pnp Pro in there, and this one, the other end, needs to go to the pedal. So let me remove the one that I have in the pedal right now, which will be the engine. So just unlatch that, unplug it, and basically we're good to go. So be right back. All right, so we successfully removed the engine harness. So now it's time to install the Ecu-Shop. Hold on. There you go. There you go. It's clipped in. And we just need to check that it's not gonna get caught by anything. So probably we're gonna cable tie it somewhere. All right. Now let's do the initial setup. I'll show you how to set it up actually now. Okay, so now let's connect to the app. And with this one, so just select the Pnp Pro, then just select that. We click on device, and then we click on the plus button in here, and it will search all of the Bluetooth device available. So there you go. We see there the Pnp Pro 66. And it says connected. And from here, we can set a password. We can go to the device. So let's set a password. So we need to set a password for this. Okay, just select done after you select the password. Okay, then it will show you this access to the image file if required. So it did a screenshot of the password. And now let's see. So there you go. So we have access to the throttle controller once we have it. So you have one. So it will send it basically wirelessly, the command, so you can turn it off also. So it says there 14. So it has 10. So yeah, so we got eco mode, and it says here using eco mode will reduce engine power, please drive carefully, and it says here slide to set. Okay, so yeah, so it will give you that warning again, so turn it on. So slide to set basically is how the eco, this is the step, how aggressive the eco mode is. Basically, the more aggressive the eco mode, the less power you're gonna get. Then it has this is smoke limit. This is the first time because overseas, Southeast Asia, Thailand, Philippines, they mostly use this with the diesel trucks like the Toyota Hilux, the Toyota 4RUNNER, the Isuzu D-Max. So they have this here, so you can set this, yeah, smoke limit, which is awesome. So yeah, so we're just gonna go in regular drive. So it has this low smoke hold button to activate. If drive mode is 0, the low smoke function will automatically turn off. Okay, so we're just gonna set this actually to off in our car, because this 4Runner got the OTT tune, so we don't really need a throttle controller to make it more responsive. The only purpose of the throttle controller on my end is when we go to some slippery roads, or we get stuck somewhere, we want to make that sensitivity basically less sensitive. Throttle is much ideal on those situations. So yeah, so that's why I have this. And also one reason I got this is because I can connect it to the head unit. All right, yeah, so again, I'm not gonna really do testing on this one. Just watch my previous videos. It will be the same. I'll put the link of the ECU shop install on the RAV4 if you're interested on the RAV4. That one has a physical controller like the engine. But yeah, so the ECU shop, I trust them. That's why I use them. So yeah, all right. So if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.